Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about the methods and techniques of social research. The learning outcomes from this video are going to be what is research problem and how do we formulate the research problem. Now when you are asked what is a research problem, it is a very difficult question that needs a lot of thinking and you have to have a certain process of formulating them in a very meaningful way. Now, it requires considerable knowledge. Now, the question comes, how can you gather that knowledge? Now, research problem is a technical name for deciding upon on your topic. It is identifying the destination before taking on the research journey. Before you decide on the topic or the research problem, you first have to identify what are you working it for. Either you want to make an assignment out of it, whether it is for term paper, a project report, or you're writing a study material for a journal, or a dissertation, thesis for PhD, or are you working for a book chapter. Now there are types of research problems in social sciences. Basically, we'll look into these three types: empirical, analytical, and normative. Empirical requires field work where you have to go and collect data on the problem that you have identified. Then there is analytical. You analyze what can be the outcome of what you are deciding. Then there is normative research, which shows what are the rules, the regulations of a society, how they have changed over a period of time. So to discuss this in detail is to how do you go about an empirical research. You have to have observations. Either you go to the field and you observe. Now observations are two types, either participant or non-participant. Second important step is that you have to verify what you have observed and what is it that you're working on. And then you decide on what are the findings and then you conclude. But under the analytical, we start with statements, and it is very important that we are clear about the definitions that we are following, what language we will be using, because we are analyzing the thing which is already there, and what are the conceptual problems with those statements. Now, when we come down to the normative, those are things which are desirable, which you look into the morals of society, the obligations, how they have been changed over a period of time. So this is a very brief introduction of what research problem is. In my next video, we'll be discussing the steps of taking research. Thank you.